Most people will never build real wealth, not because they're lazy, but because they've never heard of this simple investing hack. Think about it. We're told to save more, spend less, and hope the market goes up. But if that actually worked, wouldn't more people be financially free right now? Today, I'm going to show you a proven investment strategy that 99% of people completely overlook, but it's been used by some of the wealthiest and most disciplined investors in history. You don't need to time the market. You don't need thousands of dollars. You just need this one mindset shift, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to build real, lasting wealth, even on a small budget. So, if you've ever felt like investing was confusing or out of reach, stick with me. This could change everything. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that could change your financial future forever. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly build wealth while others struggle? Well, the secret often lies in a little-known investment hack that 99% of people overlook. In this video, we'll explore this powerful strategy that can potentially skyrocket your wealth and set you on the path to financial freedom. We'll start by breaking down traditional investment strategies and why they may not be enough in today's fast-paced market. Then, we'll reveal the investment hack that has been flying under the radar, giving savvy investors an edge. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. It's a sustainable approach that can lead to long-term growth. Throughout the video, we'll provide actionable tips and insights that you can implement right away. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions and take control of your financial destiny. So, if you're ready to uncover the secrets of wealth building and learn how to make your money work for you, stick around. You won't want to miss this transformative information, understanding the basics of investment. Before diving into advanced strategies, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental concepts of investing. Let's start with some key terms. Stocks represent ownership in a company, allowing you to benefit from its growth and profits. Bonds, on the other hand, are loans you give to corporations or governments in exchange for interest payments over time. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, making them a great option for those looking to spread their risk. Speaking of risk, understanding risk management is essential in investing. Every investment carries some level of risk, and knowing how to assess and manage that risk can protect your portfolio from significant losses. Diversification, for instance, is a strategy that involves spreading your investments across various asset classes to minimize risk. By familiarizing yourself with these basic concepts, you empower yourself to make informed investment decisions. A solid understanding of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, along with effective risk management strategies, can lead to better outcomes in your investment journey. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more confident you'll feel in navigating the investment landscapes. So let's build that foundation together. The secret investment hack revealed. Today, we're unveiling an investment hack that has the potential to significantly enhance your wealth: dollar cost averaging. This strategy involves consistently investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. By doing so, you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high, effectively lowering your average cost per share over time. This approach not only reduces the impact of market volatility, but also encourages disciplined investing. Many successful investors, including Warren Buffett, have utilized this strategy to build their wealth. Buffett often emphasizes the importance of long-term investing and staying committed to a consistent investment plan, which aligns perfectly with dollar cost averaging. By focusing on the long game, investors can ride out market fluctuations and benefit from compound growth. So why is this hack often overlooked? Many people are drawn to the allure of timing the market, believing they can predict the best moments to invest. This mindset can lead to missed opportunities and increased anxiety. Dollar cost averaging, on the other hand, simplifies the investment process and removes emotional decision-making. By adopting this strategy, you can take control of your financial future and potentially see significant growth in your wealth over time. Practical steps to implement the hack. Now that you know about dollar cost averaging, let's discuss how you can apply this investment hack in your own life. First, start by determining a fixed amount of money you can comfortably invest on a regular basis, whether it's weekly, monthly, or quarterly bills. This amount should fit within your budget and not disrupt your financial stability. Next, choose an investment platform or brokerage that allows for automatic contributions. Many online brokers offer features that enable you to set up recurring investments, making it easy to stick to your plan without having to think about it each time. Look for platforms that provide low fees and a variety of investment options such as index funds or ETFs, which are ideal for dollar cost averaging. Additionally, consider using budgeting tools or apps to track your spending and ensure you're consistently setting aside your investment amount. This will help you stay disciplined and focused on your financial goals. Finally, set realistic goals for your investment journey. Understand that building wealth takes time, and it's important to be patient. By committing to this strategy and regularly reviewing your progress, you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial aspirations. Remember, consistency is key. Common mistakes to avoid. While dollar cost averaging is a powerful investment strategy, there are common pitfalls that can undermine your success. One frequent error is failing to stick to your investment schedule. Life can get busy, and it's easy to skip contributions during tough financial times. To avoid this, set up automatic transfers to your investment account, ensuring you consistently invest regardless of market conditions. Another mistake is allowing emotions to dictate your investment decisions. Many investors panic during market downturns and stop investing altogether, missing out on opportunities to buy at lower prices. To counter this, remind yourself of the long-term benefits, dollar cost averaging, and stay committed to your plan. Additionally, some investors neglect to review their investment portfolio regularly. While dollar cost averaging is about consistency, it's also important to assess your investments to ensure they align with your financial goals. Set aside time every few months to evaluate your progress and make adjustments as needed. Lastly, never underestimate the importance of continuous learning in investing. The financial landscape is always changing, and staying informed will help you make better decisions. Read books, follow financial news, and consider joining investment groups to expand your knowledge. By avoiding these common mistakes and committing to ongoing education, you'll be better positioned for investment success. Real-life success stories. Let's take a moment to explore some inspiring real-life success stories of individuals who have effectively used dollar cost averaging to build their wealth. One notable example is Sarah, a young professional who started investing $200 a month in a diversified index fund right after college. Initially, she faced challenges like student loans and living expenses, which made it difficult to stick to her investment plan. However, by creating a strict budget and prioritizing her investments, she managed to stay consistent. Over the years, her disciplined approach paid off, and she watched her investment grow significantly, allowing her to purchase her first home. Another success story is that of Mark, a middle-aged father who began investing $500 monthly after realizing he needed to save for his children's education. He faced market volatility and moments of doubt, especially during economic downturns. Instead of panicking, Mark remained committed to his strategy, understanding that dollar cost averaging would help him buy more shares at lower prices. Today, he has successfully funded his children's college education and built a substantial retirement fund. These stories illustrate that success is attainable through dedication and a solid investment strategy. By following in their footsteps and embracing the dollar-cost averaging method, you too can achieve your financial goals. Conclusion: as we wrap up today's discussion, let's recap the key points about the powerful investment hack of dollar-cost averaging. This strategy allows you to invest a fixed amount regularly, helping to mitigate the effects of market volatility and encouraging disciplined investing. By consistently contributing to your investments, you can lower your average cost per share and potentially see significant growth over time. Remember, successful investors like Warren Buffett have utilized this approach, proving that patience and consistency can lead to financial success. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, it's time to take action. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. We also encourage you to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from learning about this investment strategy. And don't forget to explore more of our content on the channel, where we dive deeper into various investment topics and wealth-building strategies. Together, we can embark on this journey toward financial empowerment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.